Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to introduce a wonderful place in Lombok Island. This is one of the most popular of tourist destination and it's a natural tourism object. The place is Benang Kelambu Waterfall. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment. Okay, so Benang Kelambu is one of the best waterfalls on the island of Lombok. Benang Kelambu is located in the central part of Lombok Island in Indonesia. The location is exactly in Pemboto Hamlet, Aiberi Village, North Batu Kliang District, Central Lombok Regency. From the city of Mataram, this waterfall is about 32 kilometers away, which can be reached in about an hour drive, and also 1 hour by car from Lombok Airport. To reach this waterfall tourist attraction, you can travel by route Mataram to Narmada, to Sedau, to Pancardao, to Tratak, and the last in Aiberi Village, which this waterfall located. The entrance ticket for local tourists is 5,000 rupiah and 10,000 rupiah to foreign tourists. The price of entry ticket is obviously very cheap because by paying once, the visitors can enjoy the beauty of the waterfall all day. Benang Kelambu is one of the natural attraction because it located at the foot of Mount Rinjani. On the way to the waterfall, you will be shaded by thick forest plants, so you won't feel hot. Apart from the lush and beautiful forest at the foot of Mount Rinjani, you will also find local community plantation land on the other side of the road. Make sure you bring drinking water when going to the waterfall because you have to walk about 1.5 kilometers to get the tourist site, and because you will climb hundreds of stairs. In addition, there are also motorcycle taxi services that can be used by visitors who can feel reluctant to walk. Or you can use your own motorcycle too. You only need to pay around 20,000 rupiah to 30,000 rupiah to be able to reach the gates of the waterfall. But walking is highly recommended because the natural scenery around is so wonderful that the tiredness on your feet will pay off. Benang Kelambu is called Benang Kelambu because the appearance of this waterfall is very unique and different from waterfalls in general, which have a heavy flow of water. The flow of this waterfall actually tends to be calm and looks thin and soft like a curtain. This waterfall also doesn't noise like waterfall in general. Apart from its beautiful appearance, Benang Kelambu waterfall has freshness of water that comes from a spring at the foot of Mount Rinjani. However, the waterfall comes from a number of very many springs on the cliff wall. Therefore, this waterfall looks like it came out of a cliff overgrown with lush vegetation. Beside from offering the beauty of the waterfall, whose flow is very smooth like a curtain, this waterfall also offers the beauty of the walls around the waterfall, which are overgrown with various wild plants. The existence of these plants makes the appearance of this water more natural and beautiful. Even though the trek that is paced is quite far and quite time consuming and tiring, it doesn't reduce the interest of tourists to come to this place, either local tourists and foreign tourists. At the bottom of the waterfall, there is an artificial pond as water reservoir. In this pool, the visitors are allowed to bathe and swim. There are many rocks around the waterfall. Also, the visitors are allowed to climb the higher rocks around the waterfall so they can see more beautiful view there. But the visitor must tread carefully. This waterfall is quite high, but because it's divided into several levels, the waterfall looks shorter than it really is. Overall, there are 3 levels of the waterfall. First level that comes from springs with a height of 30 meters. The second level comes from springs with heights of 10 meters, and the third level is around 5 meters. Well, if you visit Lombok, don't forget to come to these waterfalls because it's really beautiful and it's really worth seeing. Maybe that's all. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you!